Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making a thank you card using Bubble Over. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I just have a small piece of basic gray. And we are using the thank you from the Bubble Over, and I have that mounted on block A. And we're going to bring in the CALYPSO coral, and we will ink that up. Alright, and now I want to bring in my clear embossing powder. Alright. And we'll heat set this real quick. Alright, and I'm going to put that aside to dry. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have a piece of basic gray, and that is cut at 4 1/4 by 5. And I'm just going to make myself we're just going to emboss like half of it, or a little less than half. So that should be good. Looks like it's a little crooked, so let me fix that. Run that through. Let's see, so we only have half of it done. Now I'm going to bring in my magnetic cutting platform and the piece that we just embossed, and then from the Bottles and Bubbles, I have the little bottle cap, and I'm just going to put that around the thank you. And then I also have a piece of CALYPSO coral and the smallest stitch shapes, the circle. And then I will run that through. Comes out like that. I just love those stitch shapes. Alright, so now we can work on putting this card together. I have 2 strips from the Designer Series paper that is actually free with celebrations, and that is Bubble and FIZZ, and it comes like this, so I just cut it at a diagonal, and I'm going to stick these on with some SNAIL. just like that. And then I'm going to get my paper snips and I'm just going to cut the ends off here. Just like that. Now I'm going to take these two pieces and I'm going to put the bottle cap down on this circle and pop that up with a dimensional. And then for the back, I'm going to go ahead and put SNAIL down as well onto our card base. And our card base is CALYPSO Coral, and that's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. So we will put this centered here. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use 2 dimensionals. Just like that. So there you have it, a quick and easy thank you card using a free Celebration Designer Series paper. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!